Hey there, ice cream lovers. Today, let's talk about the wonderful benefits of indulging in some delicious mango ice cream. First off, mangoes are packed with vitamins and minerals that are great for your health. They're loaded with vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Mangoes also contain antioxidants, which can help protect your body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Plus, they're a good source of fiber, which is important for a healthy digestive system. Now, when you turn these amazing mangoes into ice cream, you're not just getting a tasty treat, you're also getting all the health benefits that come with eating mangoes. And let's not forget about the cooling effect of ice cream on a hot day. It's the perfect way to beat the heat and satisfy your sweet tooth at the same time. So next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a scoop of mango ice cream. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of mango ice cream, be sure to follow us for more mouth-watering videos. Stay cool and enjoy your ice cream.